Good afternoon. It is Saturday, July 23rd. It is about 2:15 p.m. here in Chino Valley, Arizona. We're at the home of Dean Echols. Keith and Dean are our ticket masters here, and Sabrina's going to be the official recorder. I'm Jim Karras. Welcome to the Vintage Chevrolet Club VCCA Spotlight Special Edition. With that, Dean, welcome.
Glad to be here.
Are you ready to do this?
We're ready to do this.
All right. So what we're hoping to do is we're going to pull a total of 6 tickets because we do have more than 1,300 tickets in the drums. Therefore, we're going to do 3 third places. I believe, 4 third places. And so is that a total of 6 tickets, right? A first, a second, and 4 thirds.
Yes.
And we're going to start, they're going to mix it up really good and pull the first place ticket, or the first place ticket. I believe so far there's over 1,400 tickets in the drum. For the first place, first draw, Keith pulled the ticket. Dean's verifying the ticket, that it's a valid ticket, and Sabrina will record it. This is the first place prize, $2,022. With inflation that grew from last year of 2021. All right.
Recorded.
She has recorded it. It will go into the envelope.
Yes.
They are now getting ready for the second pull. This is for the second prize, 1,961, for the founding of the Vintage Chevrolet Club of America. Sabrina is recording the second place. Dean confirmed it was a valid ticket, meaning that it was completely filled out. And what's going to happen is the validation information will also be sealed in a separate envelope as well. Okay, I'm going to roll it again for the first of 4 third place prizes. These are $500 a piece, I believe. This video will be posted on the Southern California Region website, the Southern California Region YouTube channel, and a link to that will be available on the VCCA National website as well. This is the second pull for the third place prize, an additional $500 win. Dean's confirmed. Dean sealing up the envelope on the third place pull. Give the drum another toss for the third pull. They're taking extra care to make sure they get those tickets mixed up fair and square. Dean confirms. We heard a little bit about Keith before we started filming. Keith's the Ford guy. He has a really nice Ford F-150 out there, is that right?
It's an F-250.
It's an F-250?
67.
67. And I hear he does have a Chevy.
Yes, a Corvair.
A Corvair. Ah, there you go.
And a 409 missing a car.
All right, so Dean's sealing up the third place. Sabrina got it recorded. They're going to give it another tumble. This is the last ticket. Third place, fourth draw for third place.
Okay. Scared.
And once again, Dean will confirm the final draw. Sabrina's going to enter it. All of the ticket stubs will be preserved and presented by Dean Echols to the meet treasurer, Dale Carter, in Bowling Green for safekeeping through the end of the meet. Dave Sufer oversaw the drawing process and has really done a good job at making sure everything went smoothly, from getting the ticket information published, getting the tickets ordered and distributed. And we want to thank all the participants, all the members and the chapters and donors, individual donors that submitted tickets. We really appreciate it. It definitely helped offset the cost of the meet. So there it is. That's the official list of winners. Sabrina's going to seal that. That too will go in with the ticket envelope separately. There is two extra envelopes.
2 extra.
Those can stay out, right? So confirm there's 6 envelopes.
First place, second place, 1, 2, 3, 4, third place.
Perfect. And you have Dean seal that.
Oh.
There we go.
All right, and then Dean will maintain the tickets, both the unpulled tickets as well as the pulled tickets, and they will all come to Bowling Green. Dean, any comments, final words, thoughts?
Well, look forward to seeing everybody in Bowling Green, and we're going to have a good time, and congratulations to the winners.
Keith, thank you so much. Any words of wisdom to Chevy owners?
Good luck.
Yep, all right, thanks so much. All right, that's it. I'm Jim Karras. Sabrina, thank you so much. Dean, Keith, and we'll see you all in Bowling Green. The winners of each of the 6 tickets pulled from the raffle drum today will be announced at the 60th VCCA Anniversary Meet in Bowling Green in the Convention Center Ballroom at 7:30 p.m. on Thursday evening, August 4th. If you are attending the meet, please plan to join in on the fun at the opportunity drawing announcement and for the basket drawings. Winners of the opportunity drawing do not need to be present. With about 8 days until registration opens, take care to ready your vehicles, pack your bags, and make your way to the Sloan Convention Center. We look forward to seeing you all in Bowling Green. This has been a special edition of the VCCA Spotlight. Until next time, be well, drive safe, enjoy the ride, and we will catch you on the back roads.
America is asking you to call. Drive your Chevrolet through the USA. America's the greatest land of all. On a highway or a road along a levee. Performance is sweeter. Nothing can beat her. Life is completer in a Chevy. So make a day today to see the USA and see it in your Chevrolet.
The VCCA Spotlight is a production of TKG Media Works on behalf of the Southern California region of Vintage Chevrolet Club of America.
TKG Media Works.